Right, that could make things go a little differently. And so I wonder that if the president is not impeached fully, if it doesn't go to the Senate before the inauguration, will Democrats try to make this go through after? And will they use a different kind of precedent to do so?
Well, one of the issues here is that President-elect Biden, once he gets sworn in, wants to get his cabinet confirmed, top officials like the Secretary of State, Secretary of Defense, Attorney General. And under the current Senate rules, once an impeachment trial articles are sent over, they have to immediately spring into an impeachment court from 1 p.m. Every day until the trial is done. And they're not allowed to do any other business. So that's a complicating factor here that's being explored that could cause Nancy Pelosi to hold on to the articles, at least temporarily, to allow those confirmation votes to happen. So we're going to be finding that out shortly when Pelosi has this press conference.
Okay, Eric Wasson, thank you for taking time out to talk with us. We know you got to get right back to work.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.